Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn how you can add or subtract a time in Excel. So you can add and subtract a time similar to the numbers. However, you need to make sure the format about it because it gives different results than the numbers. So let's get started, but before that, if you are here first time on my channel and you didn't subscribe my channel yet, then go ahead and subscribe my channel. I post the videos regularly on this channel. So let's get started. I'm going to open up Excel, and here we are in Excel, and we are going to go through these examples and see how does it works. So I have two tasks. So for example, we are doing a project and this is task hours, and now we wanted to add a total time. So let's add, and on this first 2 hours of the task, that is less than 24 hours. So let's do that. We can auto sum it. So I'm going to click auto sum on first addition. So let's do that. And I can see the formula here. It used sum and this two cell. I'm happy with it, so I can just enter it. So that is 16 hours and 15 minutes, which is right. So you can do that. Let's do if it more than 24 hours then. So this time I would like to add a manual formula. So for that I'm going to click is equal to and then my first cell and then plus sign and then second cell and enter. Now you can see that it shows 4:15, which is not right because this is 12 hours and 45 minutes and this is 15 hours and 30 minutes. So for that you need to use the custom formatting. So I'm going to right click on that and I'm going to click this format cell. Then just select this custom and select this last option, which is H in square bracket :mm, and click OK. And now it is right. It shows 28 hours and 15 minutes. So hour in square bracket, it allows to show the time in higher than 24 hours. And so if you are not sure that the addition will be less or higher than 24 hours, then you can always use hour in square bracket. Okay, now let's look at our third example, that how third way you can add the time. So in this case, I already have a 10 a.m. in this cell and I wanted to add 1 hour and 30 minutes into it. So for that, I'm going to click on the cell where I wanted to show the result, and then I'm going to click is equal to and then select cell, so that, and plus I'm going to use now time function. So T I, and I can see here I have this time function, so I'm going to click that, and in bracket then it is looking for hour, minute and second. So for me it's 1 hour and 30 minutes I wanted to add. So 1 and then comma and then 30 minutes and then comma and 0 seconds. Close the bracket and enter. And you can see that we have a right time here. So this is about addition, how you can add a time. And now let's look at the subtract. So how we can subtract the time. So for that I have this second tab here and I have couple of examples. So let's go through that. So here I have 3 game slots and their start time and their end time. And now we wanted to subtract that, and here in this cell. Now the subtraction as well you can do similar to the regular number. However, the subtraction cannot handle the minus number result. So let's do that first. For that I'm going to type is equal to, and if I click from 7:45 a.m. and minus then afternoon number, then it will be the minus number. So let's do that and see what happens. So that minus this and enter. So you can see here we have endless hash sign. So that's what happened. And in subtraction, if it's negative number, then Excel cannot handle it. Now let's do the right way. So is equal to my end time minus my start time. And here you can see that it shows 6:30 a.m. where I want the difference between two in hours. So for that, you can either do the similar thing as a custom formatting, go to the format cell and custom, and then use the hour and minutes. So hour in a square bracket and minutes. You can do that. So 6 hours and 30 minutes. Or in Excel, the time as well stored as a number. And so you need to convert it to the hour by multiplying it with 24 hours. So in that case, you need to do is equal to, and then my end time minus my start time, and I'm going to put it that in a bracket, and multiply it by 24. Now that is because it's still on the custom formatting, but if I put it in a number, then it gives me 6.5 hours. So that's the way you can do 6.5 hours, or you can custom format it and you can put it on hour and minutes, and you can get it in a 6 hours 30 minutes. For next two, we can autofill it by this square here on this black square, and if I double click or drag, it will fill up the next cells like that. So that is for next for less than 24 hours difference between two. Let's see if it's bigger difference than 24 hours, then what happens. So I'm going to click here where I want my result, and then I'm going to put it my formula, which is equal to my end time and minus my start time. And you can see that it shows 1.3125, which is not correct. So we are going to format it by again right clicking and format cell and custom, and again hour and minute, and click OK, which is 31 hours and 30 minutes, which is right. So that's the way you can handle addition and subtraction. Let's do our last example, that I wanted to subtract 1 hour and 30 minutes from, for example, 10 a.m. And in that case, I'm going to put it is equal to, and then select the cell, and then minus. I'm going to use a time function again, and in bracket hour, which is 1, then comma, and then minutes, which is 30 minutes, and then comma, 0 second, bracket close, and enter. 10 a.m. minus 1 hour and 30 minutes, which is 8:30 a.m., which is right. Okay, so this is all about how you can handle addition and subtraction of time in Microsoft Excel. Guys, if you like the content of the video, then please comment, like, share, and subscribe my channel. And thank you for watching.